Hello and welcome to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to use dark mode in Google Docs. So let's start the video. Google Docs doesn't have built-in dark mode on desktop, so you have to use the extension for the dark mode. Go to a new tab, then click on these three dots and click on extensions. Then go to Chrome Web Store. Here click on the search bar and search for Dark Reader. Click on the first one. And now click Add to Chrome. Then confirm the action by clicking Add Extension. This will download and install the Dark Reader extension. Now go to the Google Docs and you will see that it is in dark mode and all your websites including Google Docs will be in dark mode. So there you have it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.